Hi friends, today we are reviewing a viral Lebanese grilled kafta skewer method, and the big promise is juicy meat with bold parsley, onion, and warm spices, without any complicated marinade. This recipe serves 4, and the total prep and grilling time is about 35 minutes. Ingredient walkthrough: 1 pound ground beef brings the classic juicy base, so choose beef with enough fat to stay tender on the grill. 1/2 pound ground lamb adds the savory Lebanese-style richness that makes these skewers taste special. 1 small yellow onion gives moisture and sweetness, and grating it helps the kafta mixture bind without bread crumbs. 1 cup flat leaf parsley brings the bright green flecks and fresh herbal flavor kafta is known for. 3 cloves garlic add a warm bite, just enough to support the spices without taking over. 2 teaspoons kosher salt season the meat all the way through, which is essential for a skewer that tastes bold, not bland. 1 teaspoon ground allspice gives that unmistakable Lebanese warmth with hints of clove, pepper, and cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper sharpens the flavor and balances the richness of the beef and lamb. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon stays subtle, adding sweetness and depth instead of making the kafta taste like dessert. 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper adds a gentle background heat, not a fiery burn. 2 tablespoons olive oil help the kafta and vegetables brown beautifully on the hot grill pan. 2 tablespoons ice water are the viral trick we are testing, because cold moisture helps the meat mix turn sticky and juicy. For small tomatoes, grill alongside the kafta, turning sweet, blistered, and saucy at the edges. 1 large red onion becomes smoky and sweet on the grill, then gets finished with sumac for a classic side. For pita breads, make this a full meal and are perfect for wrapping the hot kafta and vegetables. 1 lemon brings a bright squeeze at the end, cutting through the richness of the grilled meat. 1 teaspoon sumac finishes the onion with tangy, ruby-colored flavor that makes the platter taste unmistakably Lebanese. We begin the preparation by heating a grill or cast iron grill pan over medium-high heat for 5 minutes, aiming for about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. A properly hot surface is what gives kafta those fast grill marks before the inside dries out. While the grill heats, grate 1 small yellow onion on the fine side of a box grater. Lightly squeeze away the excess liquid, but keep the soft onion pulp because that is what seasons and moistens the meat. Now finely chop 1 cup flat leaf parsley and mince 3 cloves garlic. Keep the pieces small so every bite of kafta has herbs and garlic running through it. Add 1 pound ground beef and 1/2 pound ground lamb to the mixing bowl. Scatter in the grated onion, the chopped parsley, the minced garlic, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon ground allspice, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 2 tablespoons ice water. Now that everything is in the bowl, mix with clean hands for 2 full minutes. The mixture should go from loose to slightly sticky, which is the viral texture cue that helps the kafta cling to the skewers. Divide the sticky kafta mixture into 8 equal portions. This makes each skewer cook evenly and gives you 2 generous skewers per serving. Shape each portion around a flat metal skewer, pressing it into a long oval log about 5 inches long. Pinch shallow ridges along the meat so the edges char and the skewer looks like Lebanese grill house kafta. Cut the 4 small tomatoes in half and slice the large red onion into thick petals. Toss the tomatoes and onion with the remaining 1 tablespoon olive oil so they blister instead of drying out. Lay the kafta skewers on the hot grill pan, leaving a little space between them. Add the tomatoes cut side down and the red onion petals around the open spaces. Grill the first side for 4 minutes without moving the skewers. This is the patient step, because moving them too early can tear the meat before the crust forms. Turn the skewers with tongs, and flip the tomatoes and onion. Grill for another 4 to 5 minutes, until the kafta is browned, the vegetables are charred, and the center of the meat reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Move the cooked kafta skewers to a plate and let them rest for 5 minutes. Resting keeps the juices inside instead of running out the moment you bite in. While the kafta rests, place 4 pita breads on the grill pan for 1 minute per side. We just want them warm, flexible, and lightly toasted. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon sumac over the charred red onion petals, and cut the lemon into wedges. That tangy finish wakes up the sweet onion and balances the rich meat. The cooking is done, so build the platter with the rested kafta skewers, blistered tomatoes, sumac onions, warm pita, and lemon wedges. Serve immediately while the kafta is smoky, juicy, and hot. This is exactly what the intro promised, a viral Lebanese grilled kafta method that is juicy, deeply seasoned, and totally worth making at home. Serve it hot with the tomatoes, sumac onions, pita, and lemon, and let everyone build their own perfect bite. If you enjoyed this recipe review, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more real home cooking tests.